Good afternoon, this is Tyler Hill at MarineMax. We're the Boston Whaler dealer here in beautiful Pompano Beach, Florida. Today we're looking at a new 2019 Boston Whaler 315 Conquest. Twin 350 Verados with joystick piloting, underwater lights. This is such a great South Florida boat. Concealed swim ladder here in the transom. Shore power hookup. Live well. Expansive cockpit with two fold-out seats, one bench seat, one port side seat. Tackle drawer storage here. Big fish boxes in the floor on both sides. They are macerated and insulated. This one has the optional hand crank sure shade on the hardtop. Gives you a shade for the whole cockpit. Cockpit refrigerator. Air conditioning in the cockpit. This is a really nice port side lounge system here, which can double as an aft-facing mezzanine seat as well. Beautiful captain's chair, full electronics package. It's got the new Raymarine 16-inch Axiom on it. There's your joystick system for Mercury with the skyhook feature as well as autopilot built in. It's got a beautiful cabin as well. It'll sleep 4 people. The V-berth converts when you're not using it as a table. Hop into the cabin here. Do a quick spin around. Full stereo system in here. Full galley with microwave, another refrigerator, cooktop, as well as a TV, and you have a full mid cabin as well, which will sleep 2 people under the stairs here. And then don't forget, beautiful stand-up head, vacuum flush toilet, stand-up shower. Really nicely equipped boat. Again, this is Tyler Hill at MarineMax, the Sea Ray dealer in Pompano Beach, Florida. We're on a 2019 Boston Whaler 315 Conquest. This is the first 19 we've got in, people. Come and get it. 954-783-9555. As always, we'll do a quick shot of our beautiful service facility and marina here in Pompano. 954-783-9555. Give us a call today.